Michelle Foster, and this is how to use Bougainvillea for flower landscaping. Bougainvillea comes in a wide array of colors, most of them very bright. It's a very popular landscaping plant here in Southern California. It's drought tolerant and sun loving. This is my Bougainvillea Barbara Karst, which I have trained into a tree form. I also have one growing up and over the garage that is more of a vine. It grows up and over. Beautiful. You can use them on trellises, you can use them on walls, over arbors. They're very versatile. It's just a very vigorous growing plant. I have also seen them as hedges, but they don't bloom as much with a hedge, and it's a little more maintenance as a hedge, but you can use them as a hedge. And I've just seen them on banks, just wildly growing, just wild bursts of color, just gorgeous. So if you want a lot of ooh and ah in your landscape, then Bougainvillea is the plant for you.